Good morning, sir.
Abhishek, good morning.
Sir, ଟିକେ permissions ଦେବେ ଇଆଡେ ମୋ ଆଇଡି ଅଭିଷେକ ମହାନ୍ତି KTMC।
हाँ हाँ ठीक है। हाँ
Thank you.
Sumit sir has not joined ना.
Cybersecurity using Python. It's a privilege to welcome Dr. Sumit Kumar Titave, an expert in cybersecurity and artificial intelligence and assistant professor in computer science and engineering. Dr. Titave holds a PhD from IIT Patna and completed a postdoctoral fellowship at the University of Texas at San Antonio, UTSA, a renowned center for cybersecurity research. At UTSA, he worked on AI driven security solutions with the university health system, earning recognition as a POI collaborator. His research focuses on peer to peer network security, threat detection, and AI applications in cybersecurity, combining cutting edge technology with real world impact. We are honored to have him with us on this summer school on data driven cybersecurity using Python. I welcome Dr. Sumit Kumar Tetave, sir, and discuss on today's topic data science project for beginners. Thank you, sir. Please go ahead.
Welcome sir. I can start. Thank you.
Thank you, Satya sir. Thank you, Aswani. Yes, first of all, I want to start because she introduced me, but I want to share a few statements from my students. Okay, that so that you can understand that how dedicated I am to teach a student. Okay, let me share my screen first. Hope you can see my screen. One of my students is very good. Okay, and though I receive a lot of messages from students, but I am showing one student who is talented. Everyone knows him. Okay, he is Obed Pafra. He is doing PhD, and I guided him towards digital twins. It's a very recent topic in cybersecurity, and due to this one word, digital twins, he got selected in PhD. Okay, and this is the basic point where I want to point it out that you must add some unique, some recent, some latest point in your resume. Okay, that will help to reach at your goal. Okay, from
Sumit sir, you are not audible clearly. Little
okay.
problem.
Now, is this okay?
Yes, yes sir. Now okay.
Is this okay?
Yes sir. Yes sir. You are audible clearly now.
Now it's fine. Okay. Okay. Now, I show you one of my student message. Okay, I receive many students, but students which has show their talent, and if he message something, then it matters. Okay, he message that I wanted to take a moment to express my sincere gratitude for your outstanding guidance and mentorship throughout the big data course. Okay, I taught him your passion for the subject matter, coupled with your dedication to teach, has truly made a significant impact on my understanding of big data concepts. Your lectures were not just informative but also engaging, making the learning expressing enjoyable and insightful. I am especially grateful for your encouragement and support, which motivated me to strive for excellence in the course. Your willingness to share your knowledge and real world insights has been valuable, providing me with a deeper understanding of the applications of big data in the professional realm. Moreover, your excitement to fostering a positive learning environment has not gone unnoticed. Your approachability and responsiveness to students' queries have created a classroom atmosphere where curiosity is encouraged and questions were welcome. Thank you for being more than just a lecturer. Thank you for thank you for being a mentor who inspire and instill confidence. Your dedication to your students' success in events, and I am fortunate to have had the opportunity to learn from you. Okay, that kind of dedication I have to teach students. Okay, and in this session, I try my hard to maintain my dedication towards teaching students. Okay, but the major things, the major problem is you can understand with examples. Okay, and don't mind, I am doing some motivational words, because with the use of these words you may stick in my session, or some students, those who did not join yet, he may join. Okay, because if I start, and what happened in classroom also, you may or may not realize, but in few minutes, or 5 or 10 minutes, faculty usually teach the background of that session, and the students who miss that 5-10 minutes, after that it's very difficult to understand what is going on. Okay, or they miss some important points. That's why it's another reason to talk. um, Yes, I was talking about, suppose you have a car, okay, or suppose I'm driving a car, and you are a car, and okay, and I'm driving you, and everything is there. I hope God gifted to all of us brain, heart, everything, like car, okay. But suppose I want to drive a car, drive you, but the problem is Uh, sir, network issue. Is there still issue? Network issue? Satya sir?
Oh no, sir, it's good.
Okay, someone wrote. Okay. Okay, but the problem is the car key is in your hand. Okay. It means the switch on and off button is in completely in your control. We want to drive car, we want to put accelerator so that your car will go faster, but in between what happened, you switch on your car intentionally or unintentionally. Suppose in this session you are started, but some of you may join this session and doing another work. Okay, or you may not join tomorrow session, or other. Okay, it means the key is there. We cannot handle the key. And if you switch off the key, then is it possible, if I put my hard effort, okay, to bring you a very good position, okay, it may be in job or in research, I cannot do. Okay, and that problem I faced. That's why I share these things before you, so that you can understand. Because all of you, I suppose that all of you are students, undergraduate, PG, or research scholar. Okay, that's why this motivation may strike you, that you must switch on your car, so that faculties, your mentor, your guide will reach you at your destination. Okay. You may think that this is not fruitful. Okay. You are not able to understand some point, and you may try to leave. But it may happen that at that point of time, your teacher, your mentor, your supervisor may teach you big concepts that you are not able to understand, but he or she may confident that after 2 or 3 class you can understand. But what happened? due to that things, you may leave the journey, the steps, and you switch off your car. Okay, that thing is very dangerous for you, all of you. Okay, for this, actually, see, this is a summer school. Okay, it's a kind of a school. We try to teach lots of things to you, and you can see the syllabus. Okay, syllabus. We manage. I and Satya sir discuss about this, and we come for this syllabus, and you can see the syllabus has a lots of opportunity to learn you. Of course, we will try to put all concepts before you, so that you can scale yourself in professional life, especially in cybersecurity. But before that, I want to tell that in each class, okay, it's my habit. Okay, in each class, I am usually doing experiment, because you know that if you have one medicine, it will not work after 2 or 3 years. Okay, suppose I have one teaching pattern and I use it each year, it will not work. Okay, that's why I usually try to check myself that after teaching how much benefits you got, and then after I modified myself. And in last few years, because I joined three years back, and initially I put my effort, and due to my effort, few students get benefited. And it motivates me that yes, if few students benefited, it means I can make lots of students benefit. But few is not satisfactory. Okay, suppose 400 or 500 students, and if five or six students is getting benefited, then what is the use? Okay, that is another reason of this summer school. Okay, because most of my students at the end, they realize that he or she must not absent the classes. For them, we put an opportunity to join this session, so that without any restrictions, he or she can join. Okay. Now the another experiment I want to share, that last year I asked myself that, okay, I'm suppose I'm leading and leading students, but am I capable to reach them at their destination? As I told you, with few students I experimented, and yes, of course, they are at very good position at this point of time. And in few years, he or she may cross my level also. Okay, that kind of achievement they achieve. But another experiment I did with my kid, my daughter, it's the grade 3. Since I explained that key is in your hand, okay, you can switch on, switch off, because I have no control. Okay, if you want to log off, you can log off just now. Okay, no one can stop you. Okay, but but for my kid, for my daughter, okay, the key and everything under my guidance. And using this, I try to check myself that whether I am able to guide anyone if he or she give me the entire control. Okay. For that, I took one challenge in last year. It's a very good kid coding hackathon. Okay. I hope can you see my screen? No, actually I cannot share entire screen. That is the problem.
That the option is not there. One by one, we have to
Okay,
share.
okay, that's the problem. Okay, Zoom meeting I can do, but here okay, sir. Thank you for informing this. Now you can see my browser. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay. Now you can see with my experiment. Suppose this is the icon hackathon. Okay, it's for kids. Okay, and she was in grade 3 last year. And in very few, and you can see this is very reputed. It's a global hackathon, 75 nationals, 3 million students. Okay, all are there. And within 2 weeks, okay, I started, and then since everything under my guidance, I have key, switch on, switch off everything, and you can see the result. Okay, and even I also surprised to see this is number one in the world, rank number one. Okay, in not including China. I don't know China what he is doing. Okay, this year I try to beat China, but if you see the global wise, okay, my daughter is number one. Okay, it means this is true. If you put yourself under an experienced person, either he or she is your teacher, your supervisor, your guide, okay, they have capability to reach you at point. Okay. Now, these overall things, now you can feel that if you want to start anything, if you want to learn anything, okay, you must dedicate towards that. Suppose we are doing cybersecurity, okay, but though this is cybersecurity, but I will teach you not only cybersecurity, you can do this data-driven work with any other fields, okay, either it's the medical, any field, okay. But the motivation is why we are doing this. Okay, if you are not motivated towards your work, this is not, you cannot get anything. Okay, in the world you have a lots of good books, good YouTube channels, okay, good study materials. But did you read them? No. Without motivation, you cannot do. First, you motivate yourself. Okay. First, motivate yourself. Okay, that what you want to do, what is your goal. Okay, now here, what is your goal from this summer school? Attending this and maintaining the attendance, this will not help you. Okay, you have to fix some goal, and then if you reach the goal, then this is okay, it's fine, you get something from summer school. If not, then only certificate. And yesterday I hope all of you attended, because it's only 180 and yesterday 240 students were there and I am still waiting for them. Okay. Now, yesterday what Santosh sir told you, he told you while during his interview, taking interview, he impressed the students who gave some link, some URL link. Okay. Not who gave a lots of certification degree. Okay. If you focus in this point, it means you have to do something and show to your interviewer, okay, that you in the coming interview, you can if you are final semester student, you try it, you put your effort, you do something, okay, and then at the end of interview you may share, sir, you can check my URL in free time, as Santosh sir told yesterday. And these things I am telling to students. But unfortunately, students are not understanding this thing, that what is the use of this. Okay. If you learn these things, suppose I gave this session or you completed this summer school and get a certificate from summer school, you will forget this. You will forget this after a few months. Then how will you remember? How will you show that you learn here something? And this is a technical documentation, that URL that sir was talking. Okay. How you can make URL? This is another question. Okay. These things I will explain today. And what you have to do, you can share different links to your interviewer, but suppose this summer school link, you can do something and then share. If you have your own college project or good project, some uh, some full stack project, you can share. You can share 2 3 links. Okay, no one will stop you. But from this summer school, you must prepare one link. Those who has no link, okay, at least prepare one link with all technical details that you are going to learn. If you are waiting that PPT will come, video will come, and then I will read, then I will prepare the things, it will too late. Okay, your PPT, your video will be in a one corner of your computer storage device, and you will do nothing. Okay, now from today, you try to learn and write. Do not believe on others' PPT, others' write-up. Believe on your write-ups. Okay, after your understanding, you write. If you are not able to understand, okay, then PPT will be shared, or you may search over internet. Lots of AI tools available. ChatGPT, one of them. You can ask, you can find. Okay, that what is the detail of these things, and write down in your words. And then these technical things you have to write. And in another way, if you write in a very innovative way, very good manner, then this technical document will be a kind of your research, and you may be published as a research work. I motivated students to publish this. It has 2 3 reasons. Okay, one reason that if you do any project, then it's very hard to recognize it. Okay, you may copy from somewhere. See, in your class, you see grade O students, D students, all have same certificate. Okay, but different grades. And at the end, they show some project also. And what is different between your project and their project? The difference is your your presentation towards your work. And how you can present? You can present using your research work, and research work may lead to your final year project or any good thing. But another things related to research work, it will be internationally approved that yes, you did some work. Okay, doing project and publishing your work, okay, these things are different. And publishing your good skilled work, it means you did something good, this is also different. I will take you one example. Okay, like I hope Cowboy, are you present here? Cowboy, one of the students, BSc students. Okay, and he met me uh, uh, before one hackathon in Kit, before perhaps 1 week. Okay, and I guided him, and he got prize also in that hackathon. And after that, Odisha government also gave some prize for his innovative idea. Okay, but the problem, if we want to publish his work, he has some problems. Okay, problems means some, because you cannot, if you want to publish the work, if I want to publish his work, I can publish today itself. Today itself, I will send some low-level conference or venue, and it will publish. But if I want to put a good skill, because after publication, your interviewer, your reviewer will read that document. It's not gone and it's blind. Anyone can search your document and they will read. And if the technical problems are there, then they may not select you. Okay, they can find that your work is not good, your work is not fine. Okay, and we try to publish his work, and now we take some time because we have to find some good results, good finding. and then we will publish. It means doing project, writing project in your CV. This is different from publishing it in good place, good venue. And I'm not telling you, since you are students, you are not a kind of research scholar or something, though some research scholar may join, but I'm addressing the students who is doing some PG or UG courses. I'm not telling you to do a lots of research publication. No, at least one or two. And what is that research publication? It's not a big research. You are not a research scholar at this point of time. You only write your project that you want to do or you did with good technical stuff, so that if anyone read, then they may impress that yes, you know these terms, okay, you know these techniques. These things I want to tell you, okay, to write there. And this is a platform where you can start. Okay. Now, what you have to do, you have to learn the technical things here. And one by one, you have to write, you have to implement. And we also told you that we have hands-on sessions. It means we are going to show you how to run your implementation. Okay. These things we are going to show. Using this, you have to do, and then you have to write. Otherwise, you will forget. I told you. You forget these things. Okay. You have to place your knowledge towards the world. Okay. Now, I think 89, 90, 189, 90 students are going to present and leave. Okay. At least those who present, try to attend the session. Okay. And try to gain something, so that we may say that okay, the output will be there. Okay. And from okay, now how we can start the things, because I this lecture in this summer school lecture, I try to teach you in different style. Okay, as I told you, I always do some kind of experiment. Okay. And here I hope lots of students are there, okay, who has very less experience in Python, cybersecurity, okay. He or she may be in first year or second year. Can you can you message me two or three in this chat board, that those who are very in early stage, okay? Can you message me your name? I need only two, three names. Who is in first or second or early stage? Okay. Now, Ruchi Kumari. Tell me your name. Okay. Don't write first year and second year. What is your name? Okay. Okay. Sangnik Kostu. Okay. Wait. I got. And now it's okay. I got. Do not write too much name. Okay. Please follow. Follow the instruction. Okay. Now, can you write those who has some experience in this field? Some experienced students? Okay, now fine. Now let's start the session. Okay, I got some name. Okay, and I hope all of you join with your laptop. Okay, try to join. If you are not in on laptop, then try to go on laptop, because we have to do something. Okay, listening it's over. Okay, you listen a lot in class, in everywhere, in YouTube. Okay, now it's time to do something. Okay, and get some results. Okay. Okay, it's okay. Okay. Now Now suppose the okay. Okay, Swastika Das, are you Swastika Das? Are you logging with a laptop or mobile from mobile? Unmute and tell me because you are beginner. Or Kostum Maji, any of you who joined with laptop?
So I have joined with laptop.
Okay, what is your name?
Swastika Das.
Okay, okay. Now I am making you. Zoom is new for me. I actually work with meeting. Okay. How I can make co-host? Is anyone volunteer here? Ask to start video. Okay. Swastika, can you share your screen? See this button? Swastika, can you?
Yes,
So
I
what you
can
have to
just try.
Yes, tell me.
so like you want to share your screen.
Yes, yes. Swastika, share your screen. And why
Like
echo sound is coming?
you have to share it.
Volunteer are there?
Yes, sir. It's like
Okay.
which ID?
The ID is this name Swastika Das.
Yes, sir. Giving the permission.
Okay, Swastika Das, please share your screen. And why this? Why my voice is echo?
Sorry, sir. Like
Okay, it's a echo sound. Now it's fine. Yes, yes. Now it's fine. Okay, please share your screen. Okay, you may not show your video. Okay, it means your face. If you want, then you can open your face also. But I want to see your screen. Okay, open your computer screen. Yes, good. Now open one tab and write down Google Colab. And all of you, please follow this. If you want to write, you can write. I will share it. I will just share it. Okay, to all of you. You have to follow these things. Okay, right. Please open one Google Colab. Okay, let me. Yes, open one note. Okay, here is written plus new notebook. You can see the left side corner. Okay, and you can speak. Okay, you can speak now. Listen, the mode is I and Swastika going to do some experiment. Okay, on the Google Colab, and all of you see. If any of you have doubt, okay, then you can say in between, okay. You should not wait till end. Everyone will be active now, okay. One by one, we are going to the steps. All of you must understand from basic to advanced level. We will go, but first, yes, you can click plus new notebook. Swastika, can you see the left side down blue? Yes, good. Is your network slow? Okay. And you can see untitled 0. You can write here session 1 or what you want to write. Okay. Untitled 0. Do not delete all. Okay. Do not delete all. Write untitled. And then dot IP YNB. IPYNB. This is the Jupyter notebook. Okay. You cannot omit the extension. Otherwise, it will not a Jupyter notebook. Am I right? Okay. Now, now it's okay. Now, now here you can see. Okay. Close this release note. Release note is there. Yes. And you can see here two buttons are there, plus code plus text. Okay, if you click on, or you can find here, if you place your button at the black box here, okay, here analysis file and Gemini. After that you can place your cursor. That after right, go little bit right, up, no, in between. Yes, they are. Okay, it's okay. Now, if you want to write text, then text is there, plus text. You can do from here. Lots of options are there. You can learn slowly. And you can write text. Double click on text. No. Text box is written. Double click to enter or edit. Okay. Now you can write something. But wait. Now, why I am telling you to do this? This is a Google Colab. You can run Python code here, or you can run on your system also using a Visual Studio Code. You know these things very well. And you can use Anaconda, Mini Anaconda, or any platform. You can run your Jupyter code there. But this platform gives you opportunity to share with others. Okay. And here you can see the share command is there. Okay. If you click on share, you have you have there, you can share viewer. Okay. Viewer means if you share to anyone, then they can only view. You have to make editor. Make editor. Okay. And then another thing, if you see here KIT University, okay, means only KIT University people can access your file. But if you want to share any of your friends, then click on anyone. Okay. And here you can copy and share this link if you want to share. Let me share my notebook file so that you can open here. Okay. Let me share anyone editor copy link. Done. Okay. Now, okay. Okay, Ayush Gupta, please share this link to her. If everyone can see, then please. This is shared, and here I can write all things that we are going to study. Okay, no need to ask PPT or any code. Everything will be there, and what we are doing, what we can do one by one. But this time, open. Swastika, can you open this link? Swastika, are you able to see this link that I shared? No. What? I'm not able to hear. Why?
No, sir, I have not received the link.
But I send in the box. Sir, you can share this link to chat box. Yes, I said, where is the chat box?
Yeah, you just share to everyone. You have shared to Ayush Gupta only.
Hmm.
You just share to everyone. Let me share that one.
Okay, okay. Everyone in meeting. Okay, okay,
Okay.
okay. Got it.
Change the option.
Okay. Yes. Everyone. Okay. This is a link where we are going to. Okay. Now, Swastika, please open this link or click on this link. Those who did not log in Colab, the Colab asks to log in first, and then it gives you permission to open this file. Okay. But this is free. You can log in with Google. Anyone can open it. Okay. And parallel.
Sir, sorry to disturb you. All of you just do this one, okay?
Yes,
Though
I
many knows and many don't know, but sir, do it with sir so that you can understand and you can learn something. Okay. Thank you.
see. I thought that. See, the problem is this. If we assume that you know everything, that the problem with those who has some problem. Suppose lots of students don't know how to make figure in Word. Okay, how to use Colab, how to use LaTeX. This is the problem, general problem. That's why today I'm going to make a platform, okay, so that we can work efficiently throughout the session. Now, please, Swastika, click on the button. I already click on the link. I already shared this. Open in your system. It's for you.
Yes, sir, I'm opening.
And you are first year student. Am I right? See why I chose this chose the students who has less experience, because I believe if Swastika do, then I hope everyone will also do. Okay, if not, then you can ask questions. Okay, Swastika, it's too late. Why are you doing late? We have a session. Okay, we are not in classroom. Okay,
Sir, I have opened it.
but I did not see yet.
Mm.
Okay, okay, wait. Yes, I did not see. I see your session one dot ipynb collab, but where is that?
Wait, sir.
Open so that I can make sure that yes, all of you can open. This is not my delay. Okay, Swastika or every student, see, this is not my problem. This is other side. Okay, if it's delaying, be patience because we are learning something. What is the problem? Swastika, tell me. Because if you don't share the problem, we cannot sort out.
So actually, I cannot share the tab which I have opened just now.
Okay, one thing you can say, you can copy this HTTP collab that and paste in your search engine. Copy
Okay.
from, yes, copy from chatbot. Open our chatbot. No, where is that? Where is that?
Yes, I have opened it. I will just copy it.
Copy, above, not here. Hello, not here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Above.
Okay.
Yes. Now paste here. No, why it's not opening? Yes, paste
It's
that.
not getting pasted.
That link I shared, you are not able to copy. But I cannot see. Can you open in your laptop? Where is the meeting? Where you are doing meeting? There
Sir,
chat.
can I share the screen once more?
I'm not able
Yes.
to see. Okay. Did you copy that link that I shared?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I have
Okay.
copied it.
But you are not able to paste there. Paste there in the search Google or type a URL.
I'll just do it once more.
Okay. Or open your cursor.
Sir, actually the tab is opening, but that tab I cannot share it.
Well,
I'm just sharing once more my screen.
no, you shared.
Swastika, you do one thing.
Yes, sir.
Just right click and it is giving the option that open in browser. From the browser you can copy. If it is you are not possible, you are not able to copy from the
Okay,
Zoom.
okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, and any other like Satya sir. Okay, if you have experience enough, please guide us. Okay, all of you should be participate actively. No, above. Do not paste here. Swastika,
Okay.
paste above. Again, copy from there. Paste above. Google.com. Search
Paste
engine.
in the browser. The link
Browser.
URL.
Yes. Now paste. Now open. What is this? Sorry, unable to open the file at this time. Please check the address and try again.
Hmm?
Why you are not going to share? Okay. Swastika, you can, one thing you can do. No. But no one can open it. Okay.
Swastika, you can do one thing. Just double click there in the link directly. It will go to the browser. Okay.
Okay,
Double
sir.
click there in the link. It will go to the browser.
So I had done that, but the thing is, the screen is not getting, the tab is not getting shared.
So, Mister, just check
Yes.
it.
Yes. It's a, yeah. Same link. Is anyone able to open? Those who know the collab, please inform me. Now check this link. Swastika, I share this link. I think both links are same. Yes, sir. Okay, Swastika, try again. Okay. Lots of people
Yes.
has open. Am I right? Other people. Am I right? You are able to open. Yes. Okay. Now, Swastika, you can also do. Try again. Okay.
So, Mister, continue.
Yes. Go try again. Swastika, share or
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
yes. Or if you
Yes, sir.
feel
I have shared it. Now,
okay.
see, I think so. It's the screen, but
Yes.
you have shared the link.
Yes. Now you done. Everyone. Okay. Now we are going to do what I if I want, then I can share all stuffs here. But the problem is this: you will start to run entire things at a time. Okay, we are going to, and you can see the benefit from here that we can learn. Okay, with collaboration of other people. Okay, suppose here. Okay. Now, Swastika, can you refresh it? No. Okay. Saving failed. Hmm. This is not showing. Let me saving fail. Okay. Okay.
Do we have to connect it?
Yes, I have connected and want to save, but it's not saving. It's saying saving failed since 10:51. Okay. Okay. Then okay, it's all right. Let me share another link then. Now, Swastika, are you there? Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now open this link. Now I shared another link. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Open this link. Okay. Now it's open. Okay.
Mm.
Now you can see the first one is the text. Okay. Because see, everyone, I share this link, but do not try to write here. Okay. Do not try to modify it because it's for all participants. Okay. Swastika, you already, where is your 3 weeks? Where is your Jupyter notebook?
So this one.
You open yours. Yes.
Mine once I have closed it.
No, no. This is you have to do your work. Okay. Do not
Okay.
open your work. Close this session. Today's session link, close it. No, no need to open it. One is there, is enough. And open your file.
Okay, sir.
And where is your file? Do you
So
know? Yes. Go.
my file, it was from another account. I have closed it.
Use one account. Okay. So
Okay,
that
sir. Okay, sir.
you open in that and close in the open in that browser. Same thing you can do, same thing, because all of us is watching. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Open here,
Hold up.
or where this file is saved, do you know? You open your Gmail. Okay, let me show you. Gmail, open Gmail. That from that account you have to log in. You log in your Colab.
Yes, sir. It's from that account only.
Yes, then open Gmail first,
Gmail.
so that you can see that where is your file going to save. Okay.
Okay. 1 second, sir. Actually, I'm very new to this platform. It's the
It's
first
not-
time I'm doing
that's
it.
why that's why I'm selecting you. Why you are worrying? We are learning. Okay, don't worry. If you don't know
Uh,
this, then yes, yes. First you open your Gmail. How you are opening your Gmail?
yes, sir.
See the problems. Okay, those who know these things, it's okay. It's little bit you may feel little bit boring, but this is the real trouble. If I explain everything and at the end what happened, you are not able to open and run. and that is a problem. And that's why I'm not going ahead. But don't worry.
I have opened my Gmail.
Yes, open. Don't worry. Okay, we have a lots of time. Don't worry.
Yes, I have opened it. It's
Yes.
not showing.
Show me that. Show me that.
Okay, okay, I'm showing
Close
this.
and close that account. Only show that window that you are working. Okay. Do not jump here. There. Open that browser or search engine that you have opened Gmail. Okay.
Gmail. Yes, sir. That's
Yes,
the
perfectly,
Gmail.
perfectly. Okay. Now you go for here, the dot, the right corner where S is written. Yes, near S. Right corner
Yes,
up.
yes,
Yes, yes.
yes,
Click
yes,
here.
yes.
Google Drive. Can you see Google Drive? Yes, Drive is there below.
Hmm.
Everyone see the steps. If you don't know, please write. And those who are expert, no need to do this. Okay. Now you can see I have shared 3 weeks. Now it's came in your Google Drive. Am I right? Session one you
Yes.
have created, but where is yours?
Mine one was from different account. That's the reason it is not over here.
Okay, then use collab with this account.
Okay,
Open.
then I'm opening again.
Yes, open in this browser. Okay, click on plus and collab and open with this account. Okay, work
Okay,
with one account. Collab and then log in with the same account. I give permission to for every account. Okay, it's no need to. Yes, this is the same account.
yes, sir.
Okay, then plus button again create plus the below one. Yes.
Yes, sir.
And rename same only untitled 0. Do not delete IPY is extension. Okay. Write session 1 or date something. Okay. Okay, session 1. Now fine. Now go for this Google Drive. Open Google Drive now. See, my shared file is same. Is save in your everyone in your Google Drive. This file will be saved. Okay, if you click and log in. Now click this. Double click on this. Yes. See, what we are going to do, our main aim for this summer school, okay, to prepare a technical report on cybersecurity, okay, along with data science. It means we are going to learn a lots of things like yesterday you learned something, okay, like how to do password attack or something, okay. You have to write because after few days you will forget, okay. Everything you have to write, and that thing we will call technical report of your skill, of your knowledge that you are going to gain. And if you arrange it properly, then we will instruct you, we will guide you how to make a good publication and share URL with others. Okay, these things later. But first, our aim is to write all technical things. Okay. Now, the roadmap, part one, how to use data for descriptive and predictive analysis. Okay. Suppose you have data. Okay. Then how you can, data related to cybersecurity, let's for example. Okay. And these things I will explain in these 4 or 5 lectures. And do not miss. Okay. I will explain from basic to high level. Okay. Where you can know how to use your large language model. Okay, transformer neural network with this kind of field. Okay, that's why do not try to switch off your car. Okay, try to on. And then after part two, one of my friend from USA, he will explain everything how you can use tools for cybersecurity, and this is important. Okay, first part that I am going to deal with, this part is general. Okay, you can use for any kind of field, but the second part is specific. If you want to expert in any kind of field, then you have to do second part. It means in that field you have to learn some tools, simulation, experiment, and then you will be say that yes, I am expert in this field. Okay. And then the third part is related to your new skills. The professor from NIT, IITs, they will discuss new things, their research, recent work. And from there, you have to capture the knowledge and you have to apply in part one and part two. Okay. It means part one and part two is very basic, very fundamental. You have to learn these things very seriously. And then after part three, we will know the new, and new never new. Okay, today is old for tomorrow. Okay. That's why new is new, you have to learn forever. Now the scroll down, Swastika, please scroll down. Okay. Swastika, are you comfortable? If not, then other I may call to another students. Okay, if you feel uncomfortable, otherwise we will go. Okay, is this okay for you, Swastika? Be active.
Okay, so Mr. You can choose anyone else. Like Bala is there, you can. Okay.
No. First, Swastika, if you tell that you are not feel comfortable, then I will.
She is not answering. That's why I am telling.
No, but she will scrolling, but she is not answering. I don't know why. Is there a speaker problem, Swastika? Okay. Then we have 11. Okay, sir, I think this is no 11:30. We have break. Am I right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay, Swastika, can you scroll down? Yes. Yes. Wait, but you why you are not telling? Is this any problem with speaker?
Hello, sir. I was not able to unmute. The permission was not given.
Okay, please, volunteer, please give unmute
Yes,
and
sir.
mute.
It resolved. Yes, sir. We resolved. Sorry for it.
Okay. Now scroll down little bit, and now the first step, day one, I try to teach you. Okay, how to implement. Okay, how to implement your concepts. For that, it's written. Either you can Anaconda, Visual Studio Code on your system, or you can go for Colab that we are doing. Okay, the link is there, and this file I share to everyone. Okay, start to read. We will learn these things. Everything is written, and you can know that everything available in Google, Chat GPT. If you find YouTube, and lots of YouTubers are there. But the problem is the concepts, that if you are not able to understand how these things are going on, then it's very difficult. And I can see in my lab assignments, people are simply copy from chat gpt and do nothing. And what is the use for this? Okay, that's why we are going to understand the basics of this, and then we will go for the high level. Okay, now the okay, scroll down please. Okay, no, yes, here, yes. Step one is clear. Step one is clear, and okay. Now, if you the technical things that we are going to learn, but the things is the core things is why we are learning the technical things. Why? Only for our knowledge, skill? No. We are going to solve some real life problem using this. And why we chose cybersecurity? It's the very latest one, and daily one new attack coming on, and we have to mitigate it. Okay, it means we are going to solve some real life problem. Okay, then how you can find the real life problem? This is a problem. This is another problem. Then the easiest way nowadays, you are finding a lots of things from ChatGPT. You can also ask that what kind of thing we can do with cybersecurity. Okay, and you can get some idea. Okay, but here for step 2, okay, since we are going to do cyber security with data driven cyber security, okay, but as I told you, I will teach you in general platform. If I am choosing cyber security, any of you can choose any kind of field. Okay, all course, all concept will be same. Okay, only the problem statements and what kind of things you are going to solve, these things you have to find out in particular domain. Okay, suppose we are selecting cyber security. Okay, Then, as I told you in part 2, in with Professor Sahai, Rishikesh Sahai, he will tell you how to generate data. And you realize yesterday also, using that tool, Kali Linux and etc. Okay, that how to see the data. Okay, how to see the data means after that you have to save the data. And why you are saving the data? Because after that you can analyze and you can find something interesting and you can solve with some cybersecurity issue. It means the core is how to generate using the specific tool that is famous in cybersecurity field, and that thing second part will be there. Okay, but what happened after data, that thing I am going to explain. Okay, suppose that someone for you, okay, did this simulation using different tools and then put in the public repository to for your understanding, for your project, for your work. Okay, so that you can carry out after that. And this is the important thing. And how you can carry out after that? Getting data, anyone can get data. Run the tool, save it in Excel file, CSV file, or any other file, and that's it. But after that, but see, this is has a gap. Okay, I am telling you very fast, but this has a gap, and this is a specific area. This is called data warehousing. Okay, where you will learn how to keep your data efficiently. Okay, but this is the different chapter, different things. Here we are going to use that. It means we assume that someone perform the cybersecurity tools, they get lots of traffic with different fields. It may be IoT, it may be general network, it may be cloud computing. As you study yesterday class was very fundamental, very basic. Now you understand what kind of fields are there in cybersecurity, why cybersecurity is important, what kind of attacks are there. I'm not going to teach these things. Okay, you know these things very well from yesterday class. Now our purpose now here to use the data. Okay, how to generate data, you are going to learn in that part. Okay, now slightly above, do not scroll down. Yes, if I say then yes. Now how we can download the data? We have a lots of public sites, okay, where you can download. Suppose, Swastika, can you click this HTTP Hugging Face? This is a latest version, okay. Here you can find a latest, choose English, yes. And click the first one, yes. Okay, now this, see, this is the latest one. You can sign up, okay, so that you can show your work here. This platform is similar as GitHub, and I hope all of you know about GitHub. Okay, you have to post your code, you have to post your projects and show to your interviewers. Okay, this is a latest one. Okay, you can use it, but this time I'm going to use this platform for data sets. Okay, shall we find data set related to cybersecurity? Because this time I told you the tool simulation you have to know after few days. Okay, but here we want the data that already captured by different researchers. Okay, and from that data we are going to learn something related to data science. And here you can also get some sense that during capturing the data you have to more conscious that why we need these data for future use. Okay, otherwise you may use garbage data from there and at future it's no use. Okay, that's why here you can see a lots of pre-trained models are there. A very big platform. This is a very big. If you don't know about this, please check it. You can Google it, find out its importance. Now here you can click on data set. So Astika, you can see the second tab is yes. And now type anywhere, search button is there. Yes, search, write down cyber security because our need to learn cyber security. You can use any data set, but here we want to learn cyber security. Okay. Is there any data set? Go down. Why dataset is not coming? Click again. Click again. Above. Go above. Go above. Where we are searching. Go above. This is the model. Okay, deep star carbon model. We want dataset. Click on dataset again. Yes, search. Full text space, short trending. Search where we can find it. Okay. Hmm. Search anything on Git. Okay, write down cyber security dataset. Okay, write down. Now you can get a different okay data set. Okay, now okay, now go for another link. Go in Colab. Open Colab. No, mine. Yes, and go for second link. Yes. See, these are the open. Okay, open source. You can find anything from here. And here you can find again. See, the heart disease, eye disease, lots of data set is there. But we want cyber security. Go above and type in search. Go above. Yes, search. Yes. Cyber security. Cyber security. Search. Enter. See, our IoT 2022. No need to simulate IoT devices. The data set is available here. You can use it. Okay. A network attack, and they also provide a lots of codes also. Okay, in my notebook I gave you the link. I try to give you all links so that you will be free to search. You should not depend on me only. Okay, today you can find anything on internet. Okay, every link important or that I found for you I gave you. Okay, you can go for that. Now third link, open third link. Kaggle is a very popular one. Okay, it has a big repository, and you can sign in using your Google. Okay, sign in. If yes, yes, no problem. These are the move on. No, you have to register with Google account. Yes, and now find cybersecurity on search. No, this is yours. No. Okay, find out cybersecurity data set. Click. See, lots of data sets are there. Now you can realize that, see, if you want to good cyber security expert, then you must know the tools, the simulation, how to simulate the data. But after that the upper layer is how to analyze it. Okay, and for that we are going to learn in these sessions. Okay, how to analyze the data, how to generate this data, already done by lots of researchers. Okay, good data set. Suppose this UNS 15, this is a very good data set. You can click on this. Okay, they also give you some code. Everything is there. Okay, codes are there. But first we will go for the data set, the actual data set, because in AI data science work. Okay, data set. Okay, can you find out any link there, the direct the researcher link? Those, click on dismiss so that I can see the yes, check the link. Data set. Yes, click on this box, this folder. Is there any link in data set link?
No, sir.
No? Okay,
So
then
these
go.
are the things.
Oh, okay, then go in my Google Colab. I gave you the link. I think link is there, but I'm not able to find. Go in three. Yes, yes. Here is the link. Click on this. Same link is there. Okay, you can find link there also. See, this university already simulated lots of things using different tools, different simulation. Okay, that you are going to learn, but the result is already there. You have a lots of things here to take, and then after do some analysis and start your work, and that's why I gave you here. And you can see in first line it's given here. You have a lots of data set in download from here, and you also have something related to IoT data set. Okay, click on IoT, go for latest one, new one. Okay, you can go for both. Now it's your turn to analyze this site, find out a lots of data set, but click here. No, click in IoT. Go back, click in IoT. Hmm. And see, lots of data sets are there, you can see. But I suggested you, I suggest you that don't go for pre-processed data set. Okay. Don't go for clean data set. Because we are learner, we are going to do something. If you find that already done, already clean, then no operation you can perform. Okay. That's why if you want to download any data set from any site, then go for raw data set. Don't go for clean or pre-processed, because these things we are going to do. We are going to do, I will teach you a lots of things how we can do the data pre-processing. And this data pre-processing is your work. Okay, that you are going to do, because data set is publicly available. Suppose you want to use any machine learning model, okay, suppose SVM or random forest. If you apply, then what is the difference between you and my result if I use same thing? The difference is the gap, what you do with data set, what kind of mechanism you use. Okay, this thing we will learn, but this time go for raw data set, click on raw data set, check what is this inside. Okay, now go for network. See, lots of Windows data set, telemetry, telemetry. I think that GPS sensor, these things are there. Okay, see, now remember, you are going to learn how to generate the data set very soon. Okay, Dr. Sahai will give you a lots of tools how to generate. But this is another part, okay, where you are going to generate and gather and extract the data, okay, and it may be a kind of basic or low level work because you are going to gather the data. The things is how to use the data, okay, and that things is very popular nowadays instead of keeping data or gathering data, okay. But since you are going to learn cybersecurity, you must understand different tools so that in your interview or any place you can say something about that tool, okay. Okay, go for network data. You can go for any data. For example, go for network data and data set, pick up network data set. Go for this network data set BRO. What is BRO? The attack, normal attack BRO. Go for normal attack BRO. Okay, lots of things. Normal ransomware. Okay. Go for back. I think we are going in different route. Okay, somewhere it's written, or if you read their code that is available in GitHub or Hugging Face, they also give you the exact data set with where they downloaded. Okay, go for raw data set. Go a little bit back. TON. Windows that no, go for back. Uh, yes, go there and check. Here, it's okay. Security event ground test trend test data set. Click here. Is there anything? for network, train test network. Okay, train. You can download this. We can see what is there. Okay, click here, here. No, 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 no. The three buttons that is given there. Go back. Yes, three buttons is there in between. Yes, click there. Download. Okay, download. You have to find out where is the download button. Okay. Okay. Sometime if you download the data set, it may be in zip file. Okay. If it's in zip file, then you have to do unzip. Okay. Now go on my Google Colab. Let's check what is the next.
Yes.
Yes. We downloaded the data set. Okay. Now we are going to use this data set and see in Jupyter, in Python, you have a lots of basic operations. Okay. Basic things that we can do. But if you want to do some specific work, suppose you want to do something related to cybersecurity. Okay, cybersecurity, you performed yesterday Kali Linux or password attack. Then these things you can perform with Jupyter Notebook, but they have different library. Okay, you need to understand the library. Okay. Similarly, if you want to do something with data sets, okay, then for that, Python has different library, and this is called Panda. Okay, Panda library is there. It's very popular for data science. We will use it, and you can also use the advanced version. You can search. Okay, this is up to you that what kind of knowledge you want to gain from that. But we will learn the basic of these things. Okay, now copy from here, Swastika, import pandas as PD and paste in your Google Colab. Copy it. And everyone, please copy from my Jupyter notebook and paste in your. Do not experiment on this code. Click it. Yes, you can paste here. Yes, and click on this arrow. No, no, click on arrow. No, no, the this left side, left side. Left side, yes, the play button, play button. Go up, go up, go up. Right, little bit right. Yes, down. Yes. Now, if pandas is there, I hope it will not create any issue because this is a uh, cloud platform, and this is the benefit for this collab. If any complication is there related to libraries, it will solve. Okay, but these things may give some error in your laptop. Okay, if you find any error, then you have to install that package. Okay, we will no see if you run, see the green button. Can you see the green tick? Green
Yes, sir.
means it's a run. It's a run. No need to again run. Okay. If it's a red, it means you have to solve the problem. Now click on code also. Click code the next. No, no, the below one below. Yes. Now we are going to do one by one. Now see my yes. Uh, Go for next code. Okay, here if you want to use your data set, then you have a lots of options. Okay, what kind of data set you have, according to that, Jupyter notebook has the Python has the has the function. Like if you want to read Excel sheet, then what is the code? PD dot read Excel. And PD, what is PD? Is the pandas. Okay, it's just allies of this panda. Okay, and then if you want to stat file, a static correlated file, then you can use read static. Okay, here the you can copy that. Go above. Yes, yes, here copy these three lines. Yes, and paste. Paste in, yes, here. And what is the, okay, first line you can delete. Okay, import pandas as PD you already run. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Now second line we are going to read our data. Okay, and the third line is that is second line, df dot head. Head is showing that we want to see the head of the file. It means by default it will be 5 row, so that we can confident or confirm that yes, Data is on Jupyter notebook. Now we can use the data. Okay. If you run it, then what happens? See the error. Why error come? Because we have written some dataset name. Can you see here? Train test network.csv.
Yes, sir.
It's showing that data is not in the access path. Okay, then how we can solve this issue? Because we are doing this code. Okay, then if you save your data set here in the home directory, then no need to write the path. But your data set at this point we downloaded and it is in the download folder, not here. Okay, and see the folder. Go left down, left side and down folder button. Above, left. Go left and folder button is there. Below key, left tab, left side, yes, click here. This is your home directory where you can save your data set. Okay, because data set is not there, train test data set is not there. Okay, then you have to upload it. How you can upload? Go upload button, you can see the search upload, yes, click there and upload from your here, you can see here, yes, click there, upload it, open. Now your data on your home directory. Okay, if anyone has problem, confusion, please ask, because these simple steps, those who know it's okay, but those who do not know it's very difficult. Okay, now Swastika, can you run again? Because now your data set in the home directory, and no need to give the path because data set, yes, yeah, now you can see the data. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now you can close this that folder option, folder path, so that we can see the.
To Mr. Usman having some problem, the error.
Where? Oh, I did not able to see attendance. Where? I did not able to see the chat.
Okay, actually.
Please give me in chat so that I can understand what kind of problem you have. Osman, where are you? I am having name error. Name now. Can you solve? Just now we solve. We also had error. Don't worry about error. Okay, error is our friend now. Okay, we have to solve the error. Understand? Where can I find this data set? Okay, see, did you sleep that time? This is the problem with you guys. Okay, when we are explaining this thing, you were playing or you were something somewhere else, and now I start to do again. Huh? Swastika, can you explain this fellow where you get the data?
You have to at first go to this folder option
No.
and
Where can I find this data set? Do can you unmute? Who is 2S? Can you unmute? Can we talk? Please see.
Yes, Kaustubh, yes.
Yes. What is the problem? You are not able to find the data set on the Kaggle or in the on the Colab. Where is the problem? What is the problem? Where I can find this? Are you on the Kaggle? Okay, on the Kaggle. Okay, see, can you open my site, my link? Swastika, can you open? Yes. Go below. No, here. NB, yes. Uh, okay, Swastika, you downloaded this, na data set, train data set. So,
yes, sir, yes, sir.
open that tab. Open that tab, please.
We have downloaded it.
Yes. The just
Yes,
beside,
yes.
left side. Yes, train. Above, go above. The tab. Yes. Now copy the link. Copy the link, entire link. Above, yes. Copy it. Huh. Yes. Copy it and send. Copy it
Yes, sir.
and send in the chat box so that he can understand. Sir, I have added the download file in the collab directly, but it's showing name error. PD. See, this is another error. Okay.
So I've sent it.
Yes, good. And please add. Okay, okay. I will add it. Okay. Or you may add this link in my collab. Please open my collab. Yes. Yes. And above I gave the data link. Okay. Go here, paste that link instead of this link. Yes. Paste there. The code. Yes. Pandas PD above that.
Okay, sir.
It's written. The data link is there. Yes.
Dataset
Yes.
link.
Yeah, delete it and copy that because that link is there upside. Yes. Delete and yes, and paste here. Paste here. Yes. Now it's okay. Okay. Now the shared file, I already she already saved it here. Okay. Now the problem is he did not import pandas as PD. Okay. Are you working on your laptop? It means Anaconda or VC code. He did not import. Okay, okay, okay. Then import it. Okay. First import it. Okay. Okay. Now, is there any problem now? Tell me. Can we see how we can use the dataset directly from the source and work with it in the Colab without downloading it? We have a lots of options. Don't worry about that. See, all of you, we have dataset package. Okay, don't worry. We you now you should not ask to me. Okay, now you know the little bit idea. You ask to ChatGPT. It will give you a lots of options in Jupyter notebook, Python, related to data science. You can do things with many ways. Okay, we have a lots of options. Don't worry about this. But first learn the basic. Okay, first learn the basic so that at least you can do your work, and then after go for research. Okay, sir, file not found error because you are not giving the proper path. Where is the file? Okay, that's why I told you first go for this step. Okay, simply upload your file in this folder. Swastika, can you open the folder? See,
Yes, sir.
everyone has Google Colab. I'm sure that everyone can open Google Colab. Do not open in your laptop Anaconda or VC code. Okay. First, everyone go for single path. Okay, that we are learning. Here, if you have any problem, then we can sort out. See, here is the folder, and here is the upload command. Click on, and you have uploaded your train test network file. Upload it. That's it. Simple steps. Okay, now all of you, if you have any problem, do clear these things in 30 minutes because we are going to restart from 12. Okay, from 12 to 1:30 we have, and we will do every steps one by one. Okay, do not worry, do not go every steps that I gave you in your this collapse sheet. Okay, we will go one by one. We will understand writing and running code is not uh, fulfill your purpose. Okay. Okay, we will meet at 12. Okay, take a
Yes,
rest.
sir.
30 minutes.
Give the
Thank you
break
all.
and we'll meet at 12.
Yes, thank you all.
Thank you, sir, for this insightful session. Participants are kindly reminded to mark their attendance using the links shared in the chat, and will resume shortly with second session of the day. Please stay connected. Thank you.
Can I leave?